Who was appointed as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in December 2024? Which bank launched the Har Ghar Lakhpati scheme in January 2025? What is the full form of NABARD? Which organization regulates the money market in India? In the RBI monetary policy meeting of December 2024, what was the change made to the cash reserve ratio? What is the current repo rate as maintained by the RBI as of February 2025? Which bank was the first to execute an export finance transaction on the RXIL Global IFSC platform in 2024? What is the name of the RBI's new feature for secure NEFT and RTGS transactions introduced in December 2024? Which bank got RBI nod in January 2025 to buy 9.5% stake in 6 banks? Which public sector bank raised 50,000 crore rupees through bonds in November 2024 for rural credit? What is the primary purpose of the Public Credit Registry in India? Which scheme allows pensioners to receive pensions from any bank branch in India starting January 2025? Which body supervises cooperative banks and regional rural banks in India? Under which section of the RBI Act 1934 are ways and means advances provided to the government? What is the name of the RBI's podcast facility launched in December 2024? What is the minimum capital requirement for small finance banks as per RBI guidelines? Which bank was penalized by the RBI in October 2024 for non-compliance with KYC norms? What is the full form of IFSC in banking? Which committee recommended the establishment of NABARD in 1982? In January 2025, which bank launched the Green Rupee Term Deposit to fund eco-friendly projects? What is the maximum limit for a single transaction under the immediate payment service as of 2025? Which scheme was extended by the RBI in 2024 to promote digital payments in rural areas? Which bank won the Best Bank in India award at the Euromoney Awards for Excellence 2024? What is the tenure of the RBI governor as per the RBI Act 1934? Which international organization provided a $1 billion loan to India for rural banking in November 2024? What is the statutory liquidity ratio as maintained by the RBI in February 2025? Which bank introduced the Smart Wealth digital platform for retail investors in 2024? What is the name of the RBI's framework for issuing digital currency? Which act governs the functioning of the Reserve Bank of India? Which bank partnered with the government in December 2024 for the Prime Minister Surya Ghar scheme?